Hello everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. So today we are learning how to do the very basic foundation chain. So you realize sometimes it's hard to work with the normal chain, so the foundation chain becomes easier. So we start with the chain 2, then you insert in the first loop, you yarn over, you pull through, you yarn over again, you pull through the first loop, and then yarn over, pull through the 2, and then there are 2 loops on the side that you just created. So that is where you insert your hook. So you insert your hook through those 2 loops, as you can see. Then you yarn over again, you pull through the first one loop, then yarn over, pull through both of them. So basically that is what you'll do to make a chain, to make a foundation chain, whichever length that you want. You insert through the first 2 the loops that you created, yarn over, pull through the first, then you yarn over and then through the both of them. So that is just a repetition until you achieve whichever length that you want. And so thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll request if you can subscribe to my channel to help me grow and to continue producing such amazing videos. Thank you so much, and God bless you as you watch towards the end. I really love your support.